It's a beautiful morning. Morning. Still sleeping. I want coffee. A little bit of fog out there this morning. It's a little after 6 in the morning. Got a little cold last night. Especially with my sleeping pattern just not staying aired up for even an hour, and I can't even find the leak. Push on it, searching through it, can't find a pinhole or air coming out, anything. The only thing I could probably do is probably fill it up with water and see where it's coming out at. Anyway, gonna have some coffee and breakfast and get everything packed up, and we're gonna start making our way back through High Knob over to Rim Rock. And we're gonna explore for a while and then leave around 4. Hi, cows! Mrrr. Hi, cows! Hi! Hi! Moving a little slower this morning, about 7:30, but we just got everything all packed up and gonna head out. Until we meet again, possibly. Yay, off to Rim Rock. Gonna cut back through High Knob Campground and up the Road of Death. Alright, so the river to river literally goes right in the middle of this campground. There's that Road of Death we didn't avoid yesterday, but I didn't realize the river to river ran through here, which makes it a little more gradual and less steep and, you know, murderous. Hi, son. Blue eye. Whew. Is Rock Hill kicking your butt? Definitely some difficult terrain. trying to watch out for poisonous spiders and snakes and people. Them people are poisonous, man. Ah! Alright, back where we started yesterday, or left off yesterday, I should say. Alright, off to Sparksville Road and Carver's Ridge, past Rimrock Dogwood Cabins to Rimrock. The blue eye. A little worried. Talked to somebody, this nice lady at the High Knob campground, and I asked about that cabin. She said it's somebody's property. I didn't tell her we stayed there, but sorry, we didn't hurt anything. We cleaned up after ourselves, and we didn't break in there or anything. We stayed outside. Mud fording, part 2. That is still none of my business, because I have seen that movie. I do kind of want to check it out though, out of curiosity. Oh, and you can, there's a little trail going to it. Oh, it's so cool. Come on, Will. Scaredy cat. Now that's ram set. Little chimney. Not going in there out of safety. Woo! Well, there's another creepy shack. Oh, there's signs. Oh. They don't know how to spell hurricane. I'm just curious. But curiosity killed the cat, so. Dude. Somebody's funny. I don't know which way to go. I think I'm gonna go this way. Look for a blue eye. So according to this picture of a map I have, it shows the river to river forks, and I think we're going the right way towards Carver's Ridge. Fingers crossed. It's kind of funny, these snakes we're all worried about. We haven't even seen one. Not that we want to. Just saying. Yeah, this is me swinging my stick for webs after making fun of Will. They're gross. Well, the last couple days have told me I really need to just get over it, suck it up, and save for better gear. I'm gonna get the Z-Packs Arcall, the 62 liter, and it's also lighter weight and better carry than I have with this $20-something Walmart pack. And I'm gonna invest in the Thermarest Neo Air sleeping pad. I'm just tired of holes and leaks, and I can't even find it. Eye opener though. Hello, spiderweb. Oh, kind of smushy. More webs. Wow, there's water. More webs. Doesn't matter how much I've hiked or how many spider webs have been on me. I don't like it. It's itchy. You guys definitely should check out the River to River Trail. It's for hikers and, you know, equestrian hiking, or whatever you call it, for, you know, you can ride your horse on it. It's a 160-mile trail. Goes from Mississippi River to the Ohio River, Southern Illinois. Definitely check it out sometime. Oh yeah, I see them. Yeah, I see you. I see you. One thing I love about hiking, being out on the trail, is I just feel like I'm home. Like the house I grew up in, my mom moved in there the day before I was born, and I moved out when I was 25. But that feeling I got when I was there is gone unless I'm out hiking. I'm home. I need a sign on my back. Driver makes sudden stops. Oh. Hi, little turtle. I'm glad I didn't step on you. I don't know how I didn't see it. Will did. Hi. I don't see any snakes. Look to the left and happen to notice a little camp area. So we're going to sit down and take a little break and then continue back up. Hopefully get to Sparks Hill Road and Carver's Ridge soon. Had a nice little break. It's time to continue on. Oh, this hill though. So, River to River Trail has a lot of changes. I wasn't sure we were going the right way, but finally coming up on something. I'm thinking this is Sparks Hill Road. Oh, shit. Came from there. Pretty sure we're headed this way down the River to River to Carver's Ridge. I think this is Sparks Hill Road. Keep
words there, I think. Look, another giant cigarette. So, if I'm right, this is Carver's Ridge Road we're coming up on. And I don't know if you can tell, but I can read it now. It's Carver's Ridge. We're going to be going left and headed down the Rim Rock. It's definitely been a beautiful last couple days here on the River to River Trail. But we're taking off to Rim Rock and enjoying the rest of my birthday before we head home. But thanks for joining along on our adventure, and stay tuned, like and subscribe. I'm Rick Stone. Happy trails. You heard a hot walk? This is hot walk. Woo!